Rev up your engines! Welcome to the best fix of the week. Every Thursday, 4 contestants will show off their 30-second car fix and compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card. The winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. But sadly, cats are not allowed to vote. And here's this week's contestants.
Has your door ever been stuck? Or if you try to put your key in the car, try to unlock it, and your door just still won't open? Well, there's a simple trick that I use, is just use PB Blaster or WD-40 or whatever you have on your car. Make sure to spray it on both sides of the key. Make sure you get both sides so that when you do put it into the key slot, that both sides are covered with WD-40 or whatever you have. Next, you're going to want to put it in, unlock the car, and it should open on the first try.
I had a rotten license plate and I went to remove it, and these were the factory nuts that were fixed into the body well. They came right out and left me with half-inch holes. Covered it in trim clad. Found these body clips, got them from eBay, a little too big. Placed them in my license plate. I put some rubber hosing.
And there we go.
Alright, just an update for the spark plugs on this 4.6 liter. I was doing the very last one and the threads came off in the hole. So a quick way to do that is you get yourself some penetrating oil. I used liquid wrench, seemed to work alright. You get yourself your breaker bar, and you get a number 5 screw extractor. You grab a extension, 1/2 inch, put a 1/2 inch socket on top, wrap some tape around there, and just put it in there and twist. You have to make sure that penetrating oil soaks in there really well. You'll feel it break loose. Yeah, quick and easy fix. I would recommend, if you do multiple spark plugs, use different screw extractors every time, because they do weaken, and the last thing you want is an easy out or screw extractor broken inside of your cylinder head, because that's hardened steel, and to get that out, it's not going to be fun.
Alright, this is my 30-second video. This whole top end was total. Everything was gone. Frame, hood, radiator support, everything was gone. I guess the hardest part was putting the radiator support. Took me about 4 hours from the junkyard using a hammer and chisel. And yeah, this is the mechanic that I volunteered for, and they helped me out from time to time. But yeah, I replaced the whole thing. What you gotta say, Omar? Yes, sir.
Well, that was this week's contestants. And for your chance to show off your own car fix here and compete to win, email me, and I'll pick the best ones to show in next week's contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.